week, another video. This week we're going to be changing the cooling tank. It's leaking on me. It's very cheap to replace these. You can get a new one in AutoZone for like 12-13 bucks. I think that's what I paid for this one. And I'm also going to be flushing the radiator and changing the two hoses today as well. So stay tuned, and we're going to be swapping that out today. Get to work. I'm going to change this part. Same. Yeah, it's the same. Ahí abajo. And we also saw that it was leaking from back here. So this hose right here, it's torn, all this. So what I'm gonna do is cut this much, pretty much everything that's broken. We're gonna cut that part off and then use it like that. That way we don't have to replace the whole hose, because these tend to be a little expensive. Actually, both of them, look, see that, because they're old. So we're gonna cut both of them right there at that line right there. Just a quick fix, guys, because ideally you want to change the hose, but this is like a little life hack right here.
Vamos a sopletear ese.
Since we are replacing the cooling hose, we're gonna go ahead and flush the whole system out with this stuff right here. So pretty much you drain everything, put this bottle in there, fill her up, run her for 10 minutes, flush everything, then refill everything with water again, and then run her for another 10 minutes, then flush it again, and then refill it again a third time with the coolant, and that should do for a good flush. everything back together now. Alright guys,
Okay.
we're all done. Yeah?